Why do we need stackable guides? Let's find out. Hi, this is David, the Director of Guided Surgery Division in Real-Time Dental Lab. Why do we need stackable guides?
It's just because it's so cool. Very fancy.
That might be right, but that's not the main reason. The guide has to sit on something, right? The surgical guides will sit on either the tooth or soft tissue or on bone. So usually when we do full arch cases, we gotta take out the tooth, we have to flap, and then we have to reduce the bone. So when we take out the teeth gone. When we flap, soft tissue gone. When we do the bone reduction, the bone gone. So where are you gonna sit your guides on? So that actually is the main advantage of stackable guides. So you usually start with the mounting guide, is utilizing either the tooth or the soft tissue to help us mount the bone reduction guide. And then we use fixation pins to secure them. We transfer the space orientation from the tooth to the bone. And when we take out the teeth, do the flap, even reduce the bone, while everything's all gone, but the foundation is still there. So this foundation, guys, is secured by fixation pins prior to the teeth has been extracted. So with this, all the relationship could be kept. So as long as the foundation guide sits where they should be, whatever is gonna stack on top of it will still stay exact the same position where they should be. So on top of tooth supported, tissue supported, or bone supported guide, the stackable guide is actually a guide supported guide. So even though we take out the teeth, we reduce the bone, flap the soft tissue, the stackable guide still sits where they should be. That's the main advantage of stackable guides. If you want to learn more this upcoming webinar, please check out if you're interested in it, and I'll share how to design stackable guides in RealGUIDE Implant software. Let's have stackable guides fun together, and then I'll see you in a webinar.